Hey guys, today I would like to show you how to use Berzerk distortion. Let's listen to what we have for this demo. I'm not going to use this on the master bus. Let me solo that for you so you can hear what we have. I'm going to load a different character. I would like to set my drive to +2 for now. We are linking our density. So I'm going to set my density to 15 for now. We'll set my temperature to 3. Let's start with a 20% mix. We'll keep everything in the EQ section as is. Apart from the highs, we will boost that a little bit. Set our highs to plus 1.5. We're ready to listen to it. Here's again before. After. I'm going to solo that for you so you can hear our processing before. After. Before. After. In context. In context, before. After. Try it and let me know in the comments what you think.